Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary, and in this video I'll be showing you a simple way to install fluffy kinky twist. Please like the video, comment and subscribe if you haven't, and your support is highly appreciated. I will be using Marley Hair to braid in the beginning, like the Faux locks method, and I will also use fluffy kinky hairpiece. You can use any brand, and the hair looks like this. That is the fluffy kinky twist. I've seen the ones which are a bit thinner, but if you want thick ones like mine, you can get like thicker fluffy kinky twist. And of course I didn't want like a very thin twist, so that's why I chose the thicker one, which works for my hair as well. As you can see there, it looks a bit thicker, and those are my parts, and it does go hand in hand with my parts, so it's gonna work for this hairstyle for me. So I parted my hair and braided them in twists to save time. And also what I want to share is that I don't really undo my parts, so I wash my hair in twists, and these are the parts I have for like a year now, and I'll be using them if I braid hairstyles. And I will seal the moisture with the hair food before braiding. You can use any other moisturizer of your choice. And then I use shining gem to lay down the edges so that the braids can be neat. And I will then cut one side of the braid and ensure that the length is the same throughout. And as you can see, the fluffy kinky is very long, so I just had to cut a bit more so that it doesn't look very long, although it was still long, as you will see at the end. And this is the Marley Hair, and I ensure that they have the ends there so that it does not unravel after braiding. So I took a piece of Marley Hair and one fluffy kinky and started braiding. I placed the fluffy kinky braid in the middle of the natural hair, and then took the Marley Hair and used it to secure the fluffy kinky braid. As you can see, I braided as if like braiding Faux locks in the beginning, so I'll just keep on rotating, ensuring that I do not leave any space in between so that it can look neat as well. And then after winding the Marley Hair, I will then start twisting using the normal twisting method. I'll show you how just now. So after winding the Marley Hair, I then started twisting the remaining hair. And then after twisting, I will then go ahead and tie the Marley Hair to secure. So I took all the natural hair plus the Marley Hair, and I ensure that the Marley Hair is longer than my natural hair so that I do not end with my natural hair, just to protect the ends. So I'll just keep on twisting. As you can see here, it's only the Marley Hair, and I'll just continue twisting and then just tie at the end. Of course, I wouldn't want to tie my natural hair, so that is the protection I'm talking about. And as you can see there, I'm going to tie, and that is only the Marley Hair. Please ensure that the Marley Hair is longer than the natural hair so that you don't damage your hair at all. We're still doing the protective styles and also prioritizing long hair and hair growth. So just keep doing that. You can just keep rotating the Marley hair until it finishes, and then just showing you another braid. So I placed the Marley hair, which I cut at the end, and put it in the middle of my natural hair, and then make sure that you're able to hold it and take the Marley hair, ensure that it's a bit long so that as you twist it still remains, and then you start doing the Faux locks method, ensuring that there's no gap as well, and you continue rotating until you reach your desired length, and then you mix the Marley hair and the natural hair, and then you start twisting. You don't have to twist a lot, you only twist the natural hair and the Marley hair. Do not twist the fluffy twist because the pattern will be disturbed. So only twist with one hand, the one you're holding the natural hair and the Marley hair with. And as you can see there, it's only the Marley hair, and you just keep on rotating and twisting until the end. I used one pack and took a few braids from the second packet, so it's possible to use only one pack, but I couldn't because I think I missed for like 5 braids. But next time I'm gonna use only one packet. I'll ensure that I only use one packet. So one packet was 100 rands, and Marley hair was about 55 rands if I'm not mistaken. So this total style, or rather this hairstyle, costed me 255 rands. If maybe I used only one pack of Marley hair, it was only going to be 155. And this is the final look. So I'll not be worrying about bad hair days for the next 4 to 6 weeks thanks to DIY hairstyles. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and also share so that YouTube can recommend the video to more sisters who need help with DIYs. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.